Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Molly, and today I'm doing a challenge with one of my sisters. But before we actually get started with this big video, I want to thank you guys. So this isn't an ad, just so you know. I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 40 subscribers. That last person who did it, whoever it was, thank you so much. I don't want to say I love you because I don't know who it is.
You should say thank you to the person that first subscribed to you.
Yes, I don't actually.
What?
That was Dad.
Oh,
That was one of my sisters. But
I subscribed to you.
I need 10 more subscribers to get to 50 so I can do a live. Okay, right, let's show the sister. You probably just recognise because of her voice.
I've got rubber away.
Okay, and right. Again. Alright, start. We're gonna do the. Okay, these are the colours I picked before. We actually start doing. And also, the thumbnail isn't actually what we draw with.
Make sure there's no drawing at the back.
No.
Okay, good.
No, there isn't. Okay, just I'm gonna draw with
Ready?
yellow. No, we had to draw. Let's draw a moon. The theme's moon.
Saturn.
Moon.
Planet.
Right, wherever. Right, is it? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Alright, I'm going for kind of like just a little moon, a quick moon. But I'm gonna put.
I'll tell you when I'm finished.
Pink as the outlining.
2 minutes. We're doing the 2-minute swap challenge thing.
I'm gonna have green on the inside and the outside. I think so.
Pretty much done.
Only on the inside actually. I think it's cuter.
Adding.
I'm gonna add some yellow. We have 1 minute 6 seconds.
That's plenty of time.
I'm trying to make this last line look decent. The one around.
I think there's plenty of time at least.
Trying to make it have details.
That's what I'm trying to do, Molly.
Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know the 2 minute challenge, it's where we swap every 2 minutes. How much seconds are left?
Molly trying to finish her picture whilst I'm almost done. Like, actually done.
This kind of looks like a Subway sign. I'm joking. No.
Subway Surfers. Don't copyright her. Done.
Same. No, wait. I'm done. The timer's on. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I have on mine. Just like, kind of like a circles with loads of colours. And no, I had a circle on mine, and this is what she had. A whole planet.
Molly.
Right, I guess it's time to swap.
Molly, the theme was a planet, so.
This is time to swap.
I didn't mean it crack my knuckles. Did you hear it?
No.
3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna put some pink in there. it looks cute. Oh, actually, I'm gonna have some yellow stuff shooting down, like a shooting star kind.
I'm quickly doing this.
I don't know what a shooting star looks like.
A star with little fire particles coming out. I can easily do fire, so which that's what I'm doing for you.
Okay, don't say what you're doing for them. I'm just putting directions to show like where it's going, the shooting star. Right, we should be going a bit faster because this is actually kind of scary. I need to finish.
Oh yeah, there's only 2 swaps.
What I'm going to do, since on planes they have a bit, you know, pee coming out of it. Cause they
hell?
They have toilets.
Well, it drops down through a pipe.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. But like everyone's peeing in the world. I know that sounds weird, guys, but that's what I'm doing.
Molly,
this is actually their landing.
Molly, that's not a plan. Molly, it's a planet, not an aeroplane.
I know, but this is their landing. This is what they stop on. Okay, I quickly need to try. 8 seconds left. Get wind.
Simple.
Coming through. Stop! Okay. So what I had on Izzy's, I had like a shooting star going through. That's the landing. And then if you can't see, I have a few like, there, some drawings there, which is the wind. That's what I have for her. I only got a shooting star and some other bits done. And you got that done. Okay.
Right, now this is the final product.
No,
Oh.
that's not the end of the video.
No, because we're doing more rounds.
One more round. Three rounds. And we'll have a bonus round. So,
Right, what's an eyeball? We're doing an eyeball.
yeah, on the bonus round, it's a fish tank.
Mm-hmm. But it's an eyeball. Ready?
But on the bonus round, you only get 1 minute.
On the bonus round, you get
3 minutes. Because it's a bonus round.
It's a bonus round, but bonus rounds are always harder. So instead of 2 minutes, not 1, but not 2 minutes on.
Bro, she put it to seconds.
59 seconds.
Okay, wait, okay. That's for the bonus round.
But it's not the bonus round yet, so.
What was it? We're getting a new piece of paper. This is going to be the last normal round.
And
Isn't
then
that
it'll be
crazy?
the bonus.
We're going to be drawing an eye.
Eyeball.
I don't know how to draw eyes, so I do look.
Ready?
Alright, go.
2, 1.
Mine's going to be really poo. Just so you know, guys, I tried my best.
I messed up.
I'm better.
Messed up again.
Bro, Mama told me to stop wasting paper. I'm joking. Mama told me that I should stop singing.
You should. That's tiny.
Stop! I'm gonna have it as green eyes. I think that's cute. Okay, guys, just so you know, when we say 1 round, it's not just us drawing and that. It's 1 round of us swapping.
Look at how much time there is.
Okay. It's a thin one.
Oh. Oh well.
What do you mean, oh well? Did you not really like green?
No, I don't even draw with green. Unless I'm drawing green eyes. If I'm drawing green eyes, then I draw with pencils. Unless I'm doing scenery.
Okay, that's a bit rude.
16 seconds.
Okay, I'm just gonna colour this in and then I think I'm gonna be done. I'm going for like a clown eye kind of thing. Oh! No, Molly, you have to do this. Bro! That was meant to look pretty.
You first.
This is mine. Sorry, you can't see it as much.
Tiny.
I know, but
No,
that's
look at
mine.
mine. Yours is tiny as hell. Tiny as hell. Bonus round.
Now it's the bonus round. I tried going good for the bonus round.
What are you on my picture? Good thing it was still gluing. So,
Ow! I mean, that's what I get.
you got your head.
Yeah, only a tiny bit. Now we're only going to have 59 seconds. Okay, right, grab your piece of paper. This round you can draw anything. No, fish tank, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Right, first grab the colours you need because that'll take way too long.
I don't need to grab my colours line in now.
Okay,
Draw the outline you need now.
Okay, we're not having the timer's not on. We're just going to quickly draw the outline we need. Nothing else. Because this is a bonus round. Bonus round means good.
Bonus round should be everywhere this time.
Okay. Comment down below what video idea you want me and my other sister to do next because I don't film videos of her either. Alright, where's the pens that I wanted? Okay, these are the pens that I'm going to use. Green, blue, and yellow.
You're gonna be jelly.
I'm gonna be jelly.
Wait, did you do it 3D?
No.
Mine's 3D bit.
Bit.
B. Mine's 3D B.
This is why I don't really film videos with you, because you swear in them. Nearly. She almost read. She went, because she didn't do hers 3D bit. And then she stopped herself. Thank you very much. Otherwise we had to restart.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful, demure, and kind. Let me just open the colouring. Okay. Go! Start. 3, 2, 1.
So don't go.
Right, my first time is going to be very bad. I'm sorry about this. I'm trying to rush. I was going pretty slow for us. My head just went, I was going pretty slow. Okay. One. I need to draw some fishies.
Yeah, Molly, you do. And some decor. We'll have 59 seconds and 1 minute, yeah?
Right, guys, sorry, this is the last round that we're doing. Oh my god! I can't close this. We need more fishies. I'm going to do a pink fishy.
Molly, we're going to be adding 1 minute.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
No, we won't, because this is the bonus round. Head up! No. I think mine's better than Izzy's.
No, let's add...
No.
No, add 10 seconds. Just 10.
10 seconds, okay.
No, 20.
10.
20.
10.
20.
20.
3, 2, 1.
Go. I've already added the stuff I need. Right, I'm just going to add a few more details. Like, I'm going to add some fish food floating about. 9 seconds.
9 seconds?
Who? Okay, go. Okay, I'm done.
My one's bad because I actually coloured the water in.
Oh, I tried my best. Okay, you show yours?
No, you first.
No, because you said yours better, so show yours. That's Izzy's.
Yeah, we only had 59 seconds and 20.
This is mine, the best.
None.
Look how good that is.
Yeah, then comment.
The water. Right, yeah, we're going to show our pictures. All the ones we did. Did you chuck them in the bin? Yeah? Guys, sorry, our friend is back from London. Sorry. You guys weren't even playing, so it's fine. We were there for the last, 10 minutes.
20.
Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. I was laying on the sofa.
Yeah. Alright.
Right. We're swapping now. I'm going to add some details to Izzy's. We're going to only...
Ready?
Wait, I need to show you in it. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay.
I'm going to add some detail. I'm going to add like another fish. Wait. Ew, I actually smell that. Pause the timer. Don't draw. Ew. Okay, one of our dogs came in and farted in our video. Can I show you who the actual culprit is?
No! It's the
It's the chat farted. Guys, it was me. I'm sorry. I farted.
It was actually the dog's okay.
Did you put them in the bin?
Hmm?
Actually, no. Oh, no, they're there. Right, let's actually get to this.
Do the one go.
We don't want to go.
Literally, just go. Some enrichment.
Literally, just go. Literally. Just go.
Okay. Want to make enrichment for my fishies?
Oh, what?
Enrichment.
No.
And yeah, I'm making enrichment for you. It's
So the timer just finished. This is right. Let's move. Our
I didn't know you were filming.
It's fine. Right, let's move. Okay, so we're done. We'll show you our drawings right now. We'll try. Cause yeah, you know. Right, so can you grab some of my drawings? This is my dad. He has a big butt. Don't you, Dad?
Yeah, I'm belly.
Wait, let me poke it.
Poke the bird.
And I want to feel your beard. Okay, so I'm going to show you the drawings that I actually drew. The ones that I drew is this one. I think that one's good. And this one. And this one. This is what Izzy did. She drew an Arctic. So yeah.
And then
We have 3 rounds and the video's been 19 minutes. Okay, Izzy, quickly show your drawings. That's one of her drawings. A planet, the famous planet. And
Yeah, we didn't even switch for.
Yeah, we didn't switch because that one was.
But oh well.
It was a bit hard to do that. A fishy tank. Okay, so yeah, that'll be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments what you want us to do next.
No, say what, and also comment whose back pictures are better.
Yes, who's?
Oh yeah, look at them.
Yeah, put these up somewhere safe.
No.
I'll take these into my little habitat.
Also take mine.
Okay.
I got shows on side.
Okay. Look at that little cute boat there. Alright, that'll be the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe so we can get to 50 subscribers. Izzy! Izzy! Get in now. 3, 2, 1. Bye! Oh.